eti be ma munyina akwa aba edimoba Asempa 94.7 mosofo kokwa mankwa menkwa homa no so na mene president Ghana president ba akopa owo France Ghana foku nyina president eku ahodo bebre ekeka ni nyina bom kura ni nyina ono na say president beko eye honorable Osei Mensah papa me mo akwa aba papa otemenka meto kapa
good me why para so what say
nyame dia cheye
Samra me ka say be and chef free Lake Busomtwe me de Lake Busomtwe no pe ana me ka say
na onya patre ni bia we de
Maria patre mi enu ana mako nsulo so kama pa ana they say the ade asante no omo ba bi wa say aja amako for ya ti aye no kakakakra ade afre nte chia from a woman na me de mamu woni wati fo nyina
yo we de chairman obese da ka ye bia ne mo kasa free eye no wo de oya president chairman etifia president wo de bia no kasa ye France ene no kasa na wo kan Ghana for asetre mu nsem nwuma mu nsem ene no ma bibre but busumi mu nam say ye nyina ye be kire adwe ye be kire ye beto abenti no udimirika ebe fie say oba beto abane bi de di kan ye bebusa adenti na muntimi nkoko baako emma muntimi to abane bi wo abuchime mu ho de di kan no
yo question I will say question mu odruye na nka question na anka yenya answer da na so no the been course sa am say 2006 the FBB Ropa bill sa bill we na president Kufo and na ban na beja for the ba say anka emi kwan to ho ama Ghana for wa brochire intimate to aba na intimate stand elections so now so for so many reasons the free side of the buyer no intimi want to be implemented even though you are both to a parliament on want to be implemented two major parties now on what to a parliament so the NDC MPP obi aba or a reason am not implemented you go so watch him now and the question say in fact Saudi and so na ebeboa amanya total integration our Ghana democratic dispensation say fast say ka democracy as our Ghana eba yesu aye wa boche no ye ho abon na ekro bia so a we are part of the democratic dispensation no and as na bato asemu no na e ma think say you are part of it so you are part of the country so we Ghana near what to kwan call ye so we Ghana near ko wo Abrokyire so ye nananom omunyina enti sa na friend saying policy no very very important say aban be implemented and what's about there the answer is up to now intimi na ni na so for political reasons
yo yemra abato no mo ba bedu say the oman no ho donti mo twitwa ticket aba betu aba ne bi yehunu omampanyina obedi anim kan every 2025 January 7th uhu abato no say
about what me who say Ghana for Kwaku me agasa dey said the wodi kan kai no as president of the Ghanaian community in there me say Ghana na agasa say NDC say MPP say Sheda say Alhaji Ramanten no be we ni bia me ba anything me say na about what agasa dey say me who no and say that you see the power and the ability to change bibia timi bibia wo sesa akodro ne den san de but ade a wotimu da de wonu se sitie say you say nyo wonu se do handle no na say when you are changing you have to be courageous so wunya akodro because you never know what you are changing for every ko abenya agemi say the tames ade na mesesa no we na mwa akonya na so da bia na ha kwa esa before you to take that risk no and just akodro Ghana for not for battle massively and decisively for a change from NPP to NDC. na the way I'm to ade no so say bia kokoye 51 and I say 40 52 say presidential results landslide as also say parliamentary and so landslide it is all sure as a Ghana for no anya kudru any what they say yes some desana me hono who say na Ghana for and sakraya pa ba so be dem as so form no there's a me tibi hu one more omo to abara system no na say so akudru pa na ni bre no de to abara
yo yenhwe France mo to aba na obehu wo the first time abeto aba Ghana ni o de compare this year any previous years na military standby but police any lead bibia who security saying
Ghana me who security say they have their challenges and they say they are so say baby a to hold baby ntokwa baby kwan the sky twa gina wo one I casualty crap no too much that's so as compared to so many other countries once Ghana we are able to manage our democracy. We are able to manage our elections. In fact, Bebo friends saying Abambafono Abaso. My electoral commission is Abaso. Na Nepal Abaso can see His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Baumia. About Abaso pa. Every say a mere who say Lusuno. One China Nasi. I pay one train electoral commission and one train will be one word the consider defeat. Now, when I said, I said, Biajo, Oma matter resource, Oma Monte resource, no, one margin Bonnequa with his on Baku, Nina, and I said, I know a brass. Now, which the Jansa Ghana for Nankasa, the already Biblim has a Ghana for any Kenya, parents saying independence, let's say Jansa and Ibuha. Osei United Nations we are seeing now Kuba time back up we are say Africa I say everybody has say Ghana ni nkwani bi na wetin ha koda no ani na everybody ma Ghana for a dance we see Osei say na ekoso Burkina Faso any countries we have been yen now say democracy Osei ya de makura owu ye ya o ye send paso we are so many years since when the back na transfer permanent the democracy no e bibi o Burkina Faso, Kua, SCO, Mali, and there's so many other places. Now, I say Ghana, Bepemne, it's me to a back, Manacoboko. Now, the pie penals of Bocoa. That is a GSM. Baby, and come on, pen people, Quapuno. Come here, Kuache, and so Ghana for you, but Trawa, Mamanasu, and Amatuaba. That's it. Where they pay. And the father of Bansu, or my children say, more back now we say, South Dabusia Bayamo. And me who say, Ghana, Yansan and Mania, when they make one pie and say, challenges a car buyer, prepare a car buyer, and say, I can't buy it. I got a boy, let's have a query. I got a phone in a Mama and Pastor Dakasia, and my doctor Mudu Baumia, even though we're Lusuno. I trust Mahama winning, which is a very good thing for the pie to about Emma Mahamano. Now, it sounds a very, very good thing for the Munam Gases Superman and people will lose what you say, or penny or down on Yansani, our Pagana Sunday. Although when then this, those lower MPP, they don't go for us, on Coso and Shemukra, now on fire and Fadum.
President, you does it any was some GSM, any crash SM. Any abasobodia or dia benyina yenim sesa na wode da France Ghana for France ano ene unuanom a omo ho a omo mofra na owo mo no ebia na French eno mbeti eti 2 minutes before ka French mo mo nti say Ghana is peaceful
the Caribbean country Ghana ban ya waba say President Mahama o about abanya no say emre be ministry our Turkey. Na matribu could be a call for a ministry for Ghanaians in foreign lands with 2 parliamentary seats from each continent. I cannot say me now. They say, we constitute the 17th region of the country. Chika last year, officially 4.6 billion. 1.6 billion. The surest income of the nation because the full much I say. There was got a call of maybe as what has in the deba. They build the nation, you know. And then they captured officially. They unofficially there. And they be butcho. About 2 or 3 times. So Ghana for a wabutri. The Kenya Abuma, say you know, we are between 5 and 10 million people. And a Ghana annex, a big reserve of human resources, financial resources, and so many connections because you know what we say, ambassadors. Now I'm telling me, I influence it. Abrokyire Mama by investor. Now most strong what we say, now we are supposed to influence Abrokyire Mama investor. Now to be because Ghana buy a walk by woman and in Koya what we say. Now for man, Nicoya, why you bedroom maybe Kwanu, Yabu say Abrokyire. Now you because me kwa bucheno ugo kwa buchona na yele bank kwa the chona na yele kwa na koye o kwa 5 ebia o 6 ebia o 7 ebi kwa o 3 na o hwe sa generations ya ye ma so ewo ya ko pon da ma Ghana card ye buy ya connect ye nyina fu ma be Ghana ase o ma na nim na yen so o ma ye ministry because foreign affairs ministry no there o mo ye diplomacy ambassador bado be 2 years 3 years 4 years we nim ye years me amatra boche 42 years no minimum anga sa me crop no yenim ye ma no ho yenim ye nana no mo de mbetim aye and e say no abofo na mo te o de mbetim aye de aboaye the make can say on create a ministry for Ghanaians in foreign lands now through that ministry no one exploiting the potentials of the Ghana diaspora now countries with France if you see be bia mo parliamentarians so many countries like Mali, Senegal, they have all these things. What making sure say we're involved in because the more I swab, they are getting involved in the affairs of the administration of the country. The more they come so bad, the more they interest. 4.6 billion, whatever was there, it will be 20 billion. So many inquire. Now on and we are ready to help him do that for Ghana and the Ghanaians in the diaspora. C'est aussi même qu'à French, il y a mal en France. Écoutez, les enfants de Ghanéens en France. D'abord, je vous dis bonjour. Je vous salue depuis le lac Boussomtché à Koumassi. Voilà, on va appeler pour dire le bien que je pense de les élections au Ghana. Je vais féliciter le nouveau président qui va venir et puis le président qui est en train de partir. Et j'ai félicité les Ghanéens pour avoir une élection de paix. Alors je demande une seule chose. Je demande à ce que le gouvernement ghanéen nous mette dans la dispensation démocratique du Ghana. À savoir qu'il nous faut un ministère qui va s'occuper de nous. Et aussi nous laisser élire des parlementaires qui vont siéger au Parlement ghanéen afin de mieux nous intégrer. Et surtout, j'ai félicité le pays pour le Ghana 4 qu'on a eu récemment. Et je demande à ce qu'on soit bien connecté au pays. Parce que l'année dernière, on a eu 4,5 milliards de dollars depuis le diaspora ghanéen. En nous connectant et en nous mieux intégrant, ça va quadrupler. Ça sera bien pour les Ghanéens à l'étranger et puis les Ghanéens au Ghana. Voilà en gros ce que j'ai dit au gouvernement ghanéen. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon. Non, ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon,
okay.
Ça c'est bon.
Voilà. Tu as compris un peu, non?
Oui.
Super, bravo.
Nami aduma January ebishia wa France.
Ya try mo den.
Ya beba.
Yo. Amankwatia.
Okay, na yo. Ahaya Asempa. Bye.
Na UK din no buy.
Pacho, chema obechia na. Chema wa ha.
Yo chema na mo ajo.
Le Joshua Bru wakasa papa nyami sha. Katre bosunjefo se nyami aduma.
Number akonta ho
senka plane no etimi tuba ehodia gakwa bia so kameno nyina ba hwibo mu ma me so ba wi apatre kakra
na unya nko e chawan
da mi nyanko e me wa
ya no fa be fish record
mate
abata de obi fish ya why
no
ya me sa papa you da
ya ma mo ne yo ne ahye bia ya ni na ya magana
nukre pa
Amankwatia. Why?
Yo.
Okay.
Yo. Bye bye. Yene yen papa yɛn bibia Ghana for ɛwɔ France ekuo baako bɛsɛ 6 ne nyinaa no ɔna yɛ president yɛsa ka ne nyinaa bɔ mu ɔno ana sa yɛ president utumi sɛ dwumadie kɛseɛ paa ɛna da honorable Osei Mensah kyɛ sɛ yɛ papa yi